Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guy.
What's good, boss gang? It's your girl Monique Antoinette, owner of Monabkollectionz. So today we are going to be doing a packaging order video. I have 3 small orders and I just want to come on camera, show you guys how I package my orders and things like that. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video as well for more content. It truly helps me out. And I don't want to do too much talking, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this packaging order video. Doing today, and it is by Ashley. And these are the things that she ordered. Strawberry shortcake body oil, 1 of those. Peaches and cream body oil, 1 of those. And pink diamond body oil, 1 of those. So here is the strawberry shortcake body oil. The peaches and cream body oil. And the pink diamond body oil. So we're gonna just first package up the oils, make sure that they are secure. So of course we put them in our little bubble wrap. And then, of course, we're going to take my tape, y'all. Monabkollectionz. Yes, love it. So this tape did come from Sticker Mule. I'm gonna have it right here on the screen. And yeah, so if you guys want custom tape, custom bubble mailers, custom stickers, all kind of stuff they have on there, you can just go in there and look and see what you like. But yeah, so usually what I do is I just measure how much I need, and then I cut it to that size. I usually wrap mine all the way around. So I just usually just take my sponge that is already wet and I just pretty much rub it, you know, against. They do have an actual like machine that you can use that when you just slide it, it'll basically just wet it. But I don't have that, so do it like this. So pretty much just go like this. It is sticky now. Come around, fold that over, come back around this way. Make sure it's still wet so it can seal really good. Then seal it like that. I'm gonna take some fragile stickers because I do have those body oils in there, and I do want to make sure that they are being careful with the package. So I'm gonna make sure I'm putting the fragile label sticker on here as well. And then I'm gonna take one of my Monabkollectionz stickers and just place it on the top, probably here. There you go, first order. So our next order is from Albrina, and she got the Turmeric Glow Face and Body Scrub, 8 ounce. So I've written her name on here, and I'm going to also put a fragile sticker on this order as well. I'm gonna probably put it in the front where the shipping label is gonna be. Probably like at the top like that. And then I'll just have the shipping label here in order. Then I'm gonna put a brand sticker on here as well. In the back. And there we go. All right, so our final and third order is from Shanidria. And she got a Zodiac necklace. Capricorn is the sign. One of those. This is the packaging that it comes in. Just a simple box. You know, I put the name on there and everything. And this is the necklace. So of course we're gonna use one of our bubble millers because it's a small order. Put our business card and thank you card inside. Then we're gonna also put the necklace inside. I'm gonna put a little bit of these packaging peanuts inside just to give it a little bit more security. I'm gonna write her name on there. Seal it up. Now I'm going to put a fragile sticker on this one as well. Shipping label will go here, and that is that label. Oh, I'll probably put a Monabkollectionz sticker on this one as well. Probably on the back. Thank you guys for tuning in to this packaging order video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit of ASMR, so if you guys love ASMR, I definitely gave you a little bit of that. But yeah, just make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos because this is the first video of 2023. I hope everyone is having a good 2023 this year. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace and love.